Hi, I'm Ken Molland, Deputy Fire Chief with the City of White Rock, and today we're going to look at an emergency preparedness kit. An emergency preparedness kit can help support yourself and your family for up to 72 hours during an emergency or a disaster. Some of the things we want to have in our kit include some freeze-dried food, some drinking water. If we run out of drinking water, we'd like a way to capture some water, so some sort of a bag that can capture water, and some water purification tablets. We should also have some emergency blankets, a flashlight, a luminescent stick, these last up to 12 hours each, a whistle, and some waterproof matches. It's also good to include some toiletries, a radio so you can stay up to date on local events, and some maps of your area. We should also carry some dust masks, some form of eye protection and gloves, a utility rope, duct tape, and a variety of small tools. It's also good to include some garbage bags and a small tarp in your kit. For more information, please visit us at whiterockcity.ca/fire.